Give it up for your Miss Alluring Smile, everybody.
Truly, one of the most beautiful smiles I've ever seen. Please give it up for Miss Neha Hajong. Up next, we have Miss Talented, and to sash her, we would like to call Mrs. Ribha Elwar up on stage. Taking home the name of Miss Talented is contestant number... The contestant number 13, actually, Wonder Pink Pokemon.
Then they said she didn't do it legitly. I bought a ticket. She's dancing in her garters and fishnets. 50 in the cast, 0 missteps. Looking back, I guess it was kismet. I waited by the stage door, packed in with the autograph, hounds barking her name, then glowing like the end of a cigarette. Wow, she came out. I said, you live in
We'd like the audience to know that a talented segment was curated before the finale this evening, ladies and gentlemen. And Wanda P. Carbamon is your Miss Talented. We move on with another subtitle, which is the Miss Sparkling Eyes. Who's got those sparkly eyes this evening? Let's find out. But to give out this title, may I kindly request Sufandri Linkoy to kindly take center stage. Our Miss Sparkling Eyes of Miss Shillong 2025 is contestant number 4, Isadelia Badre. Give it up for your Miss Sparkling Eyes, ladies and gentlemen.
Of wisdom hung them from my neck. I paid my dues with every bruise. I knew what to expect. Do you wanna take a skate?
And up next, we have the best recycled outfit. And this we got just today. Who do you think had the best outfit today? To sash her, I would like to call Miss Ameda Kintia up on stage. And the best recycled outfit was contestant number 6, Bashika Walatma.
So she waited by the stage door, asked the club promoter arrive. She said, it's on my soul to have a taste of a magnificent life. It's all mine, but that's not what showgirls get. They leave us for dead. Hey, thank you for the lovely bouquet. You're sweeter than a peach, but you don't know the life of a showgirl.
Give it up for the winner of the best recycled outfit, ladies and gentlemen, Bashika Warlaikma. Thank you very much, Amira Kindia. We have just 2 more subtitles left, and these are the Viewers' Choice Award. May I inform everyone that the photos of all our contestants were uploaded on the pages of our media partners, Umauport and the Shillong Times. Our first Viewers' Choice Award from our media partner, Umauport, is going to be given out by Iban Shimti Latplang. May I kindly request Ms. Iban Shimti Lightplang to kindly take the center stage. Whom do you think is our viewers' choice winner? Any guesses? In our media partner Umaupur, our viewers' choice award winner is contestant number 11, Miss Shillong.
So I say, thank you for the lovely bouquet. I'm married to
Can we all give it up for contestant number 11, Shillong, our viewer's choice.
Hidden by the lipstick and lace. Secrets of forever, and now I know the life of a showgirl, babe. Wouldn't have it any
And our viewer's choice from Shillong Times is gonna be sashed by Ms. Shobha Chaudhary. Could you please join us on stage? Okay. And your viewer's choice is contestant number 10, Jolene Lingdon.
Thank you for an unforgettable night. We will see you next time. Give it up for the band. The dancers. And of course, Sabrina. I love you, Taylor. That's our show. We love you so much.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Shobha Chaudhary. She is one of the publisher of the Shillong Times. And ladies and gentlemen, keep the applause going for all of our lovely contestants this evening. Shower them all your love and support, because in just a moment, we will be able to find out whom our girls will be making it to the top 10.
Thank you so much, girls, for joining us up on stage.
Looking back, I guess it was kismet. I waited by the stage door, packed in with the autograph hounds, barking her name. Then glowing
Can we
like
give
the
them
end
up
of a
another
cigarette.
round of applause? Ladies and gentlemen, your 8 winners of the Subtitle and the contestants of Miss Shillong 2025.
Thank you for the lovely bouquet. You're sweeter than a peach, but you don't know the life of a showgirl, babe. And you're never ever gonna wait. The more you play, the more that you pay. You're softer than a kitten, so you don't know the life of a showgirl, babe. And you're never gonna wanna. She was a menace, the baby.
All right, are you guys excited for your top 10 contestants? I am excited too. I do not know how the judges came down to 10 contestants from those 19. Was it hard? Were they talented? Okay, well, before we go forward with knowing who the 10 contestants are, we just want to thank the makeup artists and the team who have done this incredible job. They even did my makeup and hair, and I feel so pretty tonight. And they are the face behind Fro and Glow Ladies Salon. Miss Nandita Dey is a leading entrepreneur from Meghalaya and the founder of Fro and Glow Ladies Salon, with 2 flourishing branches known for excellence in beauty and personal care. She is crowned Mrs. Cherry Blossom 2021 and Mrs. Himalaya Tourism. She is admired for her elegance and confidence, both on and off stage. Passionate about women's empowerment, Nandita provides free beauty and wellness training to women from rural areas, helping them build skills, independence, and self-confidence. As a talented makeup artist, She has worked in pageants, fashion shows, music videos, and major events, earning respect for her creativity and professional finesse. Her journey reflects strength, purpose, and inspiration, empowering women while redefining beauty with grace and heart. Ladies and gentlemen, can you please welcome on stage with a big round of applause Mrs. Nandita De and her team. Come on, guys, it could be louder than that. And for the moment you've been waiting for, Marvin, do we have the names?
We are still waiting. I am thinking that the tablators are making sure that the girls who are, must I say, who have been working hard, make it further in this beauty pageant.
The competition must be hard if we don't have the names yet. Till then, let me know, who do you think is gonna be the first contestant to go through?
I really love the support of the crowd this evening, Catherine.
I heard more than 10 names from there.
I am truly in love with our audience this evening. What a lovely audience we have this evening.
Amazing. One more time, who is it? You guys don't even need the mic. You're Contestant 4, and?
Well, Catherine, before we head to the question and answer round, I had the opportunity to have a conversation with all the contestants, trying to find out how the girls are feeling about this round, and some of them do feel that this is one of the most exciting part of this beauty pageant, and they have even called it the main course of the beauty pageant. I call it a dessert because it's something that you will get to listen and hear what our finalists have to say this evening.
I cannot think of another word, that sounds perfect. With months of preparation with Miss Eva and with Nafi and Riba and Sir Aldos and all of us gathering and talking and trying to find out what is the best outfit to wear and what design is new, and it's so much work. And these guys did it all. I do not know how you guys have come up with 10 names deserving to be up here. This is a really hard job.
Indeed, indeed. Catherine, I must also say that the girls have not only worked really hard, but although we have 19 girls trying their best to be that one girl, however, at the end of the evening, we will only be having one girl walking away with an attractive cash prize of 1 lakh rupees.
Wow, that does sound really attractive. And we're still waiting. It's just making me more anxious. Are you anxious?
We actually need that, Catherine. We really need a bit more suspense, a bit more anxiousness. One more time, I think we have the results now of our top 10. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us give a huge round of applause for all our tabulators. They are doing their best.
Wow. Wow.
Let us take a deep breath.
All right. Can we have all the contestants back on the stage, please?
if I were one of the judges, I would have just easily crowned each girl because they are truly deserving. And I must assume that it must be really tough for all of our judges. They've been working really hard this evening.
All right, I guess I have the 10 names in my hand. And the first contestant getting through to top 10 is contestant number 10, Jolene A. Lindo.
And I'm getting fucking tired. The blaze in my eyes are bursting. If all of died, would that be the worst thing? Somebody I thought was my savior, sure make me do a whole lot of labor. The callous
Taking the second spot in the top 10 is contestant number 11, Rimika Shula.
apologies for my tongue. I never would.
Our third beautiful contestant getting through to top 10 is contestant number 5, Agnes Lindo.
Weaponize the false incompetence. It's dominance under a guy. If we had a daughter, I'd watch and could not save her. The emotional torture.
Come take your spots. Contestant number 13, Wanda P. Carbamon.
Now I've got to run so I can undo this mistake. At least I've got to try. With the bullies in my eyes are bursting. If all of died, would that be the worst thing? With somebody I thought was my savior. Sure makes me think a whole lot of labor. The callous skin on my hands
Contestant number
is cracking.
12, Nimrat Ranhotra.
And the silence once I bet shaver. You make me do too much labor. All day, every day, therapist, mother made nymph, then a virgin, nurse, then a servant, just an
Catherine, I cannot do this. We have just 5 more spots left in the top 5.
finger, 24/7.
And one of them belongs to
It's picket fence dreams.
contestant number 14, Jarwin Kongsit.
Much labor. All day, every day, therapist, mother made nymph, then a virgin, nurse, then a servant, just an
All right.
appendage, lived to attend him, so that
The,
he
four,
never
the fourth last spot is for contestant number 19, Matrika Chaudhary.
The 8th spot in the top 10 belongs to... Any guesses? Contestant number 6, Bashika Warlaitma.
Carefully timed it, so let me go and dive into the waves below.
2 more spots. And the second spot is for contestant number 9, Sanjita Thapa.
Who fetches the
Come on, guys, don't lose your energy.
Rocky Mountain spring and walk back down again to feel your words in their shadows.
Before we announce the last name in the top 10, we just want to remind all of our contestants who is not going to continue with us that we love you and we are proud of you. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give another huge round of applause for all of our contestants. We have just one more spot in the top 10, and that belongs to contestant number 2, Pragati K. Surong.
Apologies
Keep the applause going, ladies and gentlemen, and let us give another huge round of applause for our top 10. Each of our contestants in the top 10 will be answering a question that is going to be asked by our judges. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah, I love that energy. Our top 10 are going to be answering a question that is going to be asked by our judges. And from top 10, we will be cutting them down to top 5. Are our contestants ready?
Girls, take a deep breath. You've made it this far. Just a few more steps left until one of you is crowned Miss Shillong 2025.
Catherine, may we move to the center stage? I guess we are ready with the treats. So in these bowls, we have the names of our judges, and the girls are going to be picking up the name of the judge, and the judge will then ask the contestants their question. We begin with contestant number 10, Jolene Lingdo. May I request Jolene to come here in center stage? Pick up a chit and hand that chit to Catherine.
Ma'am Ivari Hun Warji. Good evening, ma'am.
And good evening, ladies. You look beautiful, all of you. Okay, so the question I have for you is, if you were one of the judges, what question would you like to ask a contestant, and why?
Thank you so much for the question, Miss Eva. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If I were one of the judges, one question that I would like to ask a contestant would be, what was your biggest challenge in this journey, and how did you overcome that? This question will help understand their strength and determination, and also reveal their character and their growth in this experience. Thank you.
Thank you very much, contestant number 10, Jolene Lingdo.
All right, up next we have contestant number 11, Miss Rimika Shilla. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great.
You look amazing.
Thank you so much.
Please pick your chit.
Mr. Nathan Kera.
Good evening, I hope you're doing good.
Good evening, sir.
So, my question to you is, according to you, what is inner beauty?
Thank you so much, sir, for the question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Inner beauty to me is when you do something without expecting even anyone to notice it. When you spread kindness without thinking that what others will be thinking. And by giving your everything. For me, inner beauty is not just about how you look on the outer. It's about how genuine your heart is. That to me is inner beauty. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rimika, for that answer. It truly is the inner beauty that really reflects your outer beauty.
Come center stage, contestant number 5, Agnes Lingdo. Agnes, you look beautiful tonight, and I'm sure you must be feeling so excited.
Thank you so much, and yes, I'm really excited to see everyone here. Everyone looked very beautiful today.
Please pick up your chit. Your question is going to be asked by Miss Michelle Emily.
Hi Agnes, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Yeah, you look beautiful. Everyone looks absolutely beautiful. I love your smiles.
Thank you so
Everyone
much.
looks amazing. So my question for you today is, what separates beauty from brilliance in a beauty pageant like this?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. According to me, I believe that beauty and brilliance, it looks quite similar from the surface, but they come from two different places. Beauty is something that we can see, but brilliance is what separates from beauty, because it shows that how we carry ourselves, our thoughts, our voices, and how we uplift our youth for the betterment of our future. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Agnes.
And up next, we have contestant number 13, Wanda Karbaman. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thank you.
Are you nervous?
Not really.
That's good. Please pick a chit. Miss Isha.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If I were to describe beauty to a visually impaired person, I would tell him that beauty is not just about a sense of sight. It is a sense of feeling. It is a feeling when someone helps you, is being kind to you, and helps you in any other way he is able to approach. Thank you.
Thank you very much, contestant number 13, Wanda Karbaman. We now move on to contestant number 14, Jarwin Kongsit. Jarwin, pick up your chit. Your question is coming from Tribok Lingdo Talang.
Hi, Jervin. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
My question for you is, safety for women has become a prime concern today. What tips would you give young girls and women to stay safe unharmed?
Thank you, sir, for that question. A very good evening, judges, and to everyone who are present here tonight. I would like to tell girls or anybody to register yourself in defense training and to carry a safety tools and safety alarms, and always let your loved ones and your parents know where you are heading, and always be aware with your surrounding. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jarwin, for that beautiful answer.
Up next, we have contestant number 19, Matrika. Matrika, your dress is beautiful. Who designed it for you?
Her name is Iba Dahun. She's quite underrated, I would say. So shout out Iba. She makes me look stunning today.
You do
Thank
look
you.
stunning.
Thank you,
Please
Catherine.
pick out a chick.
Your question is coming again from Mr. Tribok Lingdo Talang. Tribok, may we please have your question?
My question for you is, What are the values that a Miss Shillong should have to become the idea of role model?
Graceful greetings, Shillong. A very good evening to our respected judges, and thank you so much, Mr. Trebok, for the question. I believe a true Miss Shillong should stand by grace, courage, and kindness, the kind that doesn't fade when no one's watching. She should speak with empathy and act with strength in everything that she does, because I have learned that a true crown is not worn on our heads first. It is built in our hearts long before we could ever win it. Thank you.
That was amazing. Thank you so much, Matrika.
Up next is our contestant number 6, Bashika Warlaitma. May I request to kindly take center stage? Bashika, how are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling great.
Please pick up a sheet. All right, your question is coming from Miss Michelle Siemli.
Hi, Bashka. Good evening.
Hello, ma'am.
You
Good
look
evening.
absolutely stunning. Your hair is stunning. Your dress is stunning. You look stunning.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
My question for you today is, what do you find in common amongst all your fellow contestants in terms of purpose and determination?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the question. A very good evening to everyone present here. The one thing that we all are in common is that we are all friendly. We are all confident and beautiful. With this, we are all friendly. In that friendly environment, we can learn from each other in a supportive way, in a positive way. And thank you. And every one of us, everyone who are contesting here, they're having the purpose. And thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Bashika. I am sure this is a friendly competition. Somebody might just be looking for some stolen makeups or who must have been hiding their heels. So give it up for Bashika Warlaitma, ladies and gentlemen.
And up next, we have contestant number 9, Sanjita Thapa. Sanjita, your gown. Again, all these gowns are so gorgeous. I need to know where you got your one.
Thank you so much. I got it from HM.
Oh, okay, nice.
It was from last night only. Quick.
So your question is going to be asked by Mr. Nitin Khera.
Good evening. I hope you're doing good up there.
Yes, sir.
You all have been supporting each other well. I
Yes,
can see
sir,
that.
we are.
Great. Right. So my question to you is, what drives you more, a success or failure? And please state the reason why also.
Thank you so much for the question, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, my question is, success is not just a failure. A failure also, they really struggle. They become success. And they have struggles a lot. Not only a winners, they do take a shortcuts, but a failures are called who really work hard. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sanjita. Indeed, failures are the pillars of success. And last but not least, we have contestant number 2, Miss Pragati K. Surong. Pragati, you're still smiling even at this time. I must congratulate you for making it this far. You look very beautiful tonight.
Thank you so much. Ma'am Eva Warjari.
Thank you for the support. Love you. Okay, hi Pragati, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, so my question to you is, if an average-looking girl wants to be a pageant queen, what advice would you give her to achieve that dream?
Thank you very much for the question, ma'am. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If I have to say to a average-looking girl to be in a pageant show, I would say to be herself, be authentic. It is not about fitting in the mold. It is to cherish, to show your uniqueness, and to be brave, confident, and to inspire others. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pragati, for that answer. And last but not the least, we have contestant number 12, Nimrit Ranhotra. The pearls look amazing on you.
Thank you.
Could you please pick a chit?
Ma'am Isha Chaudhary. Hi.
My question to you is, how would you define a woman of substance?
Good evening, esteemed judges. Thank you, ma'am, for the question. In my opinion, a woman of substance is one which walks into every room with her head held high, with her being independent both emotionally and financially. The one which does not lose sight of where she began from and never ever loses sight of what she has embedded with her values. Thank you.
Thank you very much, contestant number 12. Nimrat Ranhotra, sorry. Thank you very much.
So that was your contestants, top 10 contestants of Miss Shillong 2025. Can you please give them all a big round of applause?
Let us also give our judges another huge round of applause. In just a few moments, our top 10 will become top 5. And we'd like to congratulate all of the contestants for making it this far. Ladies and gentlemen, before we know that, we will continue with another country song performance this evening that is going to be presented by Crow Carson. As a true one-man band from Mairang, Kraukapar Carson is a powerhouse of talent who seamlessly blends versatility with passion. His musical artistry spans genres like Bollywood, rock, and country, performed in multiple languages like English, Hindi, Assamese, and Garo. This gifted composer, singer, and instrumentalist masterfully plays the guitar, mouth organ, and traditional instruments such as the dutara, bisli, and the ksing. He is deeply rooted in his cultural heritage and is known for his soulful renditions of traditional power songs. He is an alumnus of St. Anthony's College, where he completed his bachelor's degree in music. Crow has also been honored with a state award and a world record of excellence from New Delhi, a testament to his exceptional artistry and dedication to music. He has 3 YouTube channels: KMK Cover Songs, Theodore Mao Channel, and Psalm 96 Production. Crow is also the former member of the Khmer Creative Society as a guitarist and the Serenity Choir Shillong as a vocalist. He continues to inspire audiences with his soulful performances and musical brilliance. Help us welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Crow Carson for his presentation of a country song.
Could we also once again give a round of applause to the lovely ladies? Thank you for joining us on stage.
I took her pearls of wisdom, hung them from my neck. I paid my dues with every bruise, I knew what to expect. Do you wanna take a skate on the ice inside my veins? They ripped me off like false lashes and then threw me away. And all the headshots on the walls of the dance hall are of the bitches who wish I'd hurry up and die. But I'm immortal now, baby dolls. I couldn't if I tried. She was a menace, the baby of the family in Lennox. Her father whored around like all men did. Her mother took pills and played tennis. So she waited by the stage door.
Good evening, everyone. I won't introduce much. They already introduced about me. And I'm here to prove what they have introduced. So my name is Crow. On the second round of this Miss Shillong, I feel like I was back to yesterday. They look like a Halloween competition. On the third round, I feel like I am the most happiest, lucky cowboy today. Because so many cowgirls I could see. And on the fourth round, I feel like I was not in Meghalaya. I was somewhere else far away from Meghalaya. Big cities like Bollywood or Hollywood or Tollywood, something like that. And thank you, this Association Society for having me here. Hello, check. I'll be performing 3 songs. 1 country song, 1 rock song. And 1 last song, Kasi song. Ban ruai na kamta kitu kimis baro man laki bakile bakiyai bakiyang bakisyong birke bikran ngala thau man laki jingle jungki ngala thau ke jing ruai ka lyrics kat kum ya jungki sesngap tu takade ke jing ruai ka balai. Go check. You know this song, right? I like that clap. Keep it a little bit. Whew. Baby, lock the door and turns the lights down low. And put some music on it soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite as strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. There's no hurry, don't you worry, baby. We can take our time. Come a little closer, let's go over what I had in mind. Baby, look. Door and turns the lights down low. And put some music on the soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I wish you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite as strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. Ain't nobody ever loved nobody the way that I love you. We're alone now, you don't know how long I've wanted to. Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on the soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go, just to be your man. And that was just a warm-up, okay? Now let's get ready for the real one. Someone make the mic stand. Please don't mind me, I also feel hot, and this is the right time to show myself. I know you will enjoy this one. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it will rain on sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? It's coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, the sun is cold, the rain is hot. I know I've been that way for all my time. When it's over, so they say, it will rain on sunny day. I know it can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? It's coming down on a sunny day. Ooh. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? It's coming down on a sunny day. One last song, wait. Ngakran kasi is jing roi kasi. Ha kan jing roi ngakran phang jing long jong ki riu kan thei. Kumbang ilong kum tang ngakran mu ngakram thau tam ne, ngathau duna ne.
kan mi tek ya kabade hajing sang thau kerpang nam ta ki Miss Shillong laki singewe hap em kan ne ka jing thau jing laki long em kum ding thau nga pihak ban ong hoi kiu mo tas ngap se iwe don ikna bun ki blang khat rius nam ru besin mentang ne te jing ruai ga ong kum ne ta shwa bang sedangan ahen ijur te sipirit ipeleng teng si ana isnam te idang rit karn yang tela ima denem hoi sedang to okay to ong hoi kiu bro mo hoi nge hoi ijur te sipirit ipeleng teng si ana isnam te idang rit karn yang tela ima hoi yes hoi menyero ekipat menyero usnyu papu kirong don makdor banok rempom pitip laja ayu donut kirang kapen om hoi hoi ja ayu ngitang syurung syaka ni stage sepo tang mar senrung syapo ngatang syuyo iaki sengukum hari parang penbandai hari kasih hoi hoi kudur babriu lempuny yang kikmat ke pensyo iet isingkai ibaslim ngikirang ila syubi hoi hoi singapha their character kajing long jungki kadai jing syamo wat sengai ma idur kum iparo kamtam da iles onlay Henry daya kut por jupoi se ei hoi hoi sengap ha syapang ki Judy Hills daki pong Judy Hills itna te baki jrong da pang kano kin pen haban damong hoi hoi Panggane sengap. Lakum kipuri blay daki ya syarum syanang dak kriat katno kin pen pawai iterpeng. Hoi. Hoi. Jayus ni sende pat sengap. Bas ngau bhabrio palat teng ngau kum ki parang klet badis ngi ublay kum shu off hajing yaseng hoi hoi sengap hangane kan thei jing long kan thei shi bhar ki don ki jan shi senduk pat ki juti ki ong ngim don ei la jan pat sakaduli hoi hoi tangan ajing senang ruk kendiat namar ne ki don lang ki megi paru their parents are also here kini kisap ki pong la ai ker pangda ublay la da pi im tipriu yo buron ipa imei hoi hoi bai bhaya ngamo chapang jonga Haonya i handsome kam tang ba dengit kmat yong henry ngam lai posyu ngala don ba i lajong hoi hoi Shapang ka Fashion Society Shillong Paroki badan sap ki baslor ba ki bajrong ki don bok ba ka don Fashion Society Shillong hoi hoi tenamar ngi im po rilum
ngila fit lupa kamet dan kam setengah malay ayupan. Yiem hakiri lium mat kapat pafit pidon dan kam ban kuslai dan kam teng ban aksan. Hoi hoi Piki babyang kadur mat kapat pa iyak mat dabyang sa ijing long hakikam dan pa siya kamat. Hoi hoi Pemya stenat darwais pangga jing aib sim stenat teng bangan se iki dan iwe among sam. Ngapakane wat kirki wat ingkrong penhon shwa ipa ime pitang lakir ki than kre lupa ke kit kun rei hoi hoi itu beladon boyfriend pakเป็นคลานชวายาลาจงเป็นเลยจิงมุดจิงปุลีสำลาพิละบันดอนเห็นไรวัดจะเป็นทำเมโอ้ยโอ้ยได้ตั้งจิงบาบริวมาพิดุปวยชากะกองจิงสตาร์รูบัดจิงสลูรูกินเป็นจับมิสชิลองโอ้ยโอ้ยtangan si iki sinrang tang arteli sinrangan si tang arteli naman makin dom gigan tayang amo sabi sinrang kisinrang rukum ju kakali kala sopti tayar aloy san put kiyay te haban daji hoi hoi last mo sinrang ki im lai luit sao ayom kaju kasut cuti laja siliang lelai ki berut la berut hoi olang silakan hoi
Thank you very much, Bak crowd. I love the energy of the crowd coping with our country singer this evening. Let's give another huge round of applause for Crow Carson Theo.
Hello, check, yes. Now we finally have the top 5 contestants in our hands who are gonna go through a final round, a final question round in which one common question will be given to each of them and they'll have to answer that in limited time.
Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen, to cheer for your contestants once more? Are you ready? Okay, we are ready to welcome our final top 5 of the beauty pageant this evening. Without further ado, we begin. The first name in the top 5, or should I say, the first spot in the top 5 belongs to contestant number 11, Rimika Shilla.
There's a voice in my mind. It whispers every
The second spot that will be filled up tonight for the top 5 of Miss Shillong 2025 is contestant number 12, Nimrit Ranhotra. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome her with big round of applause.
I can feel the tension that the finalists backstage are facing, but the third spot in the top 5 belongs to contestant number 13, Wanda P. Karbamon.
Getting congested up here, only 2 more spots left. And the 4th spot belongs to contestant number, not yet, it's contestant number 10, Jolene Lingdo.
The music carves a brand new space, clearing doubts I used to face. What once was heavy.
All fingers crossed, ladies and gentlemen, the results have been locked in. And the 5th and final spot in the top 5 belongs to contestant number 19, Matrika Chaudhary.
The crown was hidden, but now it shines through broken chains. The power is mine. From ashes I rise.
Give it up for your top 5 contestants of Miss Shillong 2025. Ladies, I hope you've warmed up for this round. One question, one answer will get you through and get the crown of Miss Shillong 2025. Are you ready? The crowd is ready. Are you ready?
I have the final question, final common question in my hand right now. And girls, take a deep breath. This is that moment where each one of you will be able to express your final answer. And we just want to wish you the very best. Remember that whatever that you're going to answer, we are pleased with it. So may that joy, may that happiness be filled inside your heart. We wish you the very best. And for our knowledge, all the top 5 will be writing down their answers in a sheet of paper that have been prepared at the podium. Our tabulator is ready. May I request the tabulators to also keep a track of the time? The finalists will be given a time of 2 minutes to write down your answers. That time will start only after you've heard the question. All right? We will be repeating the question twice. May I request Catherine to kindly read out the final question.
My hands are shaking.
But their hands aren't shaking, Catherine.
Okay, so your question is, listen carefully. Throughout the preparation for the Miss Shillong 2025 beauty pageant, what lessons did you gain that you would share with the other young girls who would look up to you as a role model? One more time. Throughout the preparation for the Miss Shillong 2025 beauty pageant, what lessons did you learn that you would share with the other young girls who would look up to you as a role model?
So is the question clear to everyone? All right, please pick up your pen. All right, the time starts now.
30 seconds left, girls.
Let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pens down.
All right.
All right, pens down. May you please step a little further from the podium. All right. So what we've done is we've kept a carbon copy, and the contestants are going to be answering whatever that they've written on the sheet of paper. They will not be able to go overboard because we will be seeing, or rather we will be overseeing what the contestants have written. So are our judges ready? All right, let us hear what our top 5 finalists have to say. Catherine, may I request you to kindly read out the question once more?
All right, so your question was, throughout the preparation for the Miss Shillong 2025 beauty pageant, Rimika, what did you learn that you are going to share with the other girls who are going to look up to you if you win?
Thank you for the question. Well, my answer is, I often heard people say that nurses don't have life outside their work in the hospital. While there's some truth to that due to the demanding nature of a profession, but I believe that if you dare to dream, there's nothing that can stop you. And my message, thank you, and my message to all the young girls out there, people are going to say what they want to say, but you have to stay you. Their concern are not of your concern. You just have to stay focused and just stay in your lane. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Rimika. We move on to our next contestant, Nimrod. Your answer may please be read out, please.
As a role model, I would share my experience to be punctual, as it is only for the betterment. 1 month back, I never imagined I was this person. To be determined and know and that no one is looking for perfection, but for authenticity. Have the desire of winning, but also the acceptance of failure. To always be close and to uphold values of humility, empathy, and passion for larger goals of life. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Nimrod's answer. Thank you.
We move on to contestant number 13, Wandapi Karbamon. Wandapi, all right, here's your moment.
My Miss Shillong journey is nothing short of a journey of improvement and empowerment. And to the girls who would look up to the pageantry and who look up to me as a role model, I would advise them to pull themselves out of the comfort zone. You may not know what you are deserving and what you are until you try. Moreover, be your authentic self. Enjoy the journey and cherish the memories and friendship. Thank you.
Second, last but not least, we have contestant number 10, Jolene Lingdo. Jolene, your answer, please.
Being here has taught me to embrace my true self, and that authenticity is not about being different, it's about being true. And to the young girls, I want to say that if I can find my voice, you can too. And that change, and that you don't need to change to fit in. The world needs exactly who you are. Thank you.
And our final contestant, Mitrika, what's your answer?
This journey has taught me that confidence is not about being the loudest in the room. It's about showing up for yourself even when no one believes in you yet. I have learned that growth can hurt before it shines. So if there's one message I would like to share with all the girls, it would be that you do not need to wait to be perfect to start your journey. Your time begins the minute you believe it does. Thank you.
Amazing. Give it up for your top 5 contestants of Miss Shillong 2025. Those were all amazing answers. I don't know how did you do that in just 2 minutes, but this is really beauty with brains. Amazing girls. Let's give them a huge round of applause one more time.
We are approaching the announcements of the results, but before that, ladies and gentlemen, the top 5 contestants have given answers that have connected largest consciousness between them and us here present in this evening. So may I request all the top 5 contestants to exit the stage. We will be shortly having a final walk of the reigning queen of Miss Shillong 2024, Miss Gracie Nandi. Let us give our top 5 contestants another round of applause. We will be seeing you in a bit.
We are getting closer to that one moment we've been all looking forward to. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am, right? I am getting shivers, and yes, we are gonna have beautiful, graceful walk by Gracie Nandi herself, the reigning queen of Miss Shillong 2024.
As I take this last walk as Miss Shillong 2024, my heart is overflowing with emotions. This moment feels surreal because it is not just the end of a journey, but the celebration of everything this crown has given to me and everything it has made me become. When I first wore this crown, I realized that this crown is not just an ornament of sparkle, but it is a responsibility, a promise, and a constant reminder of the trust placed upon me. This journey has changed me. It has shaped me into a stronger, more resilient version of myself. It has taught me patience when challenges seemed never-ending. It has taught me courage when fear tried to silence me. Above all, it has taught me humility, because I have learned that respect is not given by a title, but the way you treat people, the way you uplift them, the way you make them feel seen and valued. Tonight, as I walk the stage one last time with this crown upon my head, I carry not just memories, but lessons, gratitude, and love. I will forever hold this chapter close to my heart because it has not just been a title. It has been a transformation, a journey of becoming who I am today. And now, to my successor, this is your moment, your beginning. I want you to know that this crown holds stories, dreams, and a legacy far greater than its sparkles. Wear it not only with pride, but with a purpose. Carry it forward with dignity, humility, and strength. Let it remind you every single day that the true value of this crown lies not only on how it shines on your head, but how you shine in the lives of others. Thank you to each and every person who has been a part of my journey. A very big thank you to Fashion Society Shillong for believing in me, for putting all your trust in me, for seeing the potential in me that I thought I never had. Thank you to my family and friends for always being by my side. Thank you, God, for this beautiful opportunity. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the very last time, I am your Miss Shillong 2024, Gracie Nandi. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone.
All right. For the moment you guys have been waiting for, 1 out of the 5 beautiful women today is going to be crowned Miss Shillong 2025. In my eyes, all of you are beautiful, elegant, graceful, and smart, intelligent young women. And honestly, if it was in our hands, your family's hands and your friends' hands, you would be Miss Shillong 2025 tonight.
Before we move on with the announcement of the results, once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us give our top 5 a huge round of applause. I must say that the lives of these young women are about to change because they are going to be catapulted into a journey of fame and adventure. We'd also like to thank all our judges for working so hard in giving us who our Miss Shillong 2025 would be this evening. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Are you ready for the final results? Okay.
Starting with the fourth runners-up, we would like to call Miss Piralin Nongbet on stage to help us crown the fourth runners-up of Miss Shillong 2025. This beauty queen is the winner of Mrs. Classic India 2019, organized by National Pageant India, Kolkata, and has also been honored with the Style Icon 2019, titled by NPI. She is a proud representative of our state Meghalaya and our country India, and has shone brighter at prestigious international pageants, which include TKS, Mrs. India International 2019, where she won the title of Mrs. International Universal Beauty 2019, held in Singapore, where she also received the international crown for Compassion 2019. As a wife, a dedicated mother of two, and a teacher by profession, Ms. Piralin, who holds a postgraduate degree in physics, loves working with the young generation and is passionate about promoting compassion among people. She is an esteemed well-wisher of Fashion Society Shillong, and she has also the honor of gracing the judging panel of the prestigious Miss Shillong beauty pageant on many occasions. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome on stage with a round of applause, Miss Piralin Nongbet. And the fourth runner-up of Miss Shillong 2025 is contestant number 11, Rimika Shillong. Please give her a big round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Rimika Shillong is your fourth runner-up of Miss Shillong 2025. Please give her a huge round of applause.
She has truly gotten through this journey of Miss Shillong with grace and confidence, and she is really a good role model to her colleagues and family members and many people around her. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, your fourth runners-up of Miss Shillong 2025, Miss Rimika Shillong. Please give her a round of applause.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Piralin Nongbet, for helping us crown our fourth runner-up. We move on to the announcement of our third runner-up this evening. And to help us do that, may I please request Mrs. Marjorie Noreen Dunai to help us crown our third runner-up. Mrs. Marjorie Noreen Dunai is a senior reader. She is a senior reader at the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly and a passionate yoga enthusiast, known for her grace, purpose, and compassion in action. She currently holds the title of Mrs. Global International 2024, having previously been crowned Mrs. Seven Sisters 2020 and Mrs. Shillong 2019. Beyond the stage, she continues to inspire through her commitment to community service. She is also the founder and vice chairperson of her own NGO known as Gracious Givers Foundation. In 2022, she served as the secretary of the Lions Club of Shillong Divas, a charitable organization devoted to community welfare. She is an inspiring speaker and advocates for peace and purpose-driven living, and has graced platforms as a guest speaker at the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th International Seminars on Peace and Humanity in North Bengal, Siliguri, and Kolkata. Ladies and gentlemen, please help us welcome Mrs. Marjorie Noreen Dunai. So, our third runner-up to Miss Shillong 2025 this evening, ladies and gentlemen, is... Who do you think would be our third runner-up? I don't think the audience is ready. Let's just keep the suspense a little long. Are you ready? All right, the third runner-up is contestant number 12, Nimrat Ranhotra. Please give it up for Miss Nimrat Ranhotra, ladies and gentlemen. They have given their best effort for this evening, although they may have participated in several rounds, but ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the competition, we do have only one winner. One more round of applause for Miss Nimrat Ranhotra, our third runner-up to Miss Shillong 2025.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us on stage. All right, we are getting closer and closer, girls. And the second runner-up is... No, wait. For crowning the second runner-up, I would like to call Miss Loretta Lalu, who is the second runner-up of Miss Shillong 2024, with a round of applause, please.
May I please mention that our second runner-up to Miss Shillong 2025 this evening, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be walking away with a prize package of 50,000 rupees.
All right. The second runner-up of Miss Shillong 2025 is contestant number... Who do you think it is? Contestant number... I can hear you say it. Contestant number 10, Jolene Lingdon.
We appreciate the efforts of all these young ladies, and tonight they really deserve it. Keep the applause going, ladies and gentlemen, for our second runner-up this evening, Jolene and Lingdor.
Jolene has truly come through this time. I've seen her journey in Miss Cherry Blossom. She did beautifully, and today she has outdone herself. She looks stunning, and she has done amazingly well. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for your second runner-up of Miss Shillong 2025, contestant number 10, Miss Jolene Lingdor. Come on, you can clap louder than that for your second runners-up. Thank you so much, Loretta, for joining us on stage. And for the final moment, may I please call the girls to the center of the stage. You will want to hold your hands.
Okay. Why don't we start the Miss Shillong 2025 all over again, ladies and gentlemen? We've come to this point where we will be announcing our Miss Shillong 2025. And we're so glad that our chief guest this evening, Shri Polingdo, is still with us. And we may we request her to kindly hand over the dummy check to our winner. So we will be announcing the name of the winner first. We will be announcing Miss Shillong 2025 first, to be followed by our first runner-up. Again, we will be announcing Miss Shillong 2025 to be followed by our first runner-up.
And for this, to crown the winner of Miss Shillong 2025, once again, we would like to have Miss Gracie Nandi, the reigning winner of Miss Shillong 2024, back on stage, please, with a round of applause. And to crown the first runner-up, we would also like to have Miss Shaivalri Lartang on stage.
We have two Miss Shillong winners. We have Miss Shillong 2024 and Miss Shillong 2023 to help us crown our final two. Are you ready? All right, let's give out all our energy one more time because we are coming to the closing of Miss Shillong 2025. Are you ready? Okay. Our Miss Shillong 2025 is
our Miss Shillong, the Queen of Miss Shillong 2025 is
Miss Shillong 2025 goes to contestant number 19, Matrika Chaudhary. A huge round of applause for our winner this evening, ladies and gentlemen. Miss Matrika Chaudhary is your Miss Shillong 2025.
I can see your family dancing with joy and tears in their eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for the winner, the Queen of Miss Shillong 2025, Matrika Chaudhary.
There you have it, our Miss Shillong 2025, ladies and gentlemen. Matrika is going to be walking away with a prize package of 1 lakh rupees. Miss Shillong 2025 is Matrika Chaudhary. And to help crown our first runner-up, that is Miss Wanda P. Carbamon, may I request Miss Shaivalri Lartang to kindly do the honors.
Once again, give it up for your first runner-up of Miss Shillong 2025, Miss Wanda.
She is Wanda P. Carbamon, ladies and gentlemen, your first runner-up to Miss Shillong 2025. Our first runner-up walks away with a prize package of 75,000 rupees.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, you have the winners of Miss Shillong 2025. One more time, can we give them a big round of applause?
May we request of Miss Shillong 2025 and her court to kindly take your first walk.
Our first runner-up, please take a walk. Our second runner-up, we would love for you to take a walk too.
Another huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for all of the ladies who have competed in Miss Shillong 2025. This pageant would have been nothing without their presence. And we also thank all our audience for a lovely time that you've given us. A huge round of applause to all of you as well. A huge round of applause to our judges. May we now invite our chief guest and our special invitee up on stage for a click with our winners.
Ladies, smile. You've done amazing and it is totally paid off.
Meanwhile, we would also request all the members of Fashion Society Shillong to be present up here on stage. We would also request our judges to kindly come up on stage for a group picture. We are so proud to also announce that we also do have some gift hampers for our top 5, which is prepared by Ms. Michelle Imli. And we would request our chief guests to kindly hand over the gift hampers to our winners. Volunteers, may we have the gift hampers up on stage for our top 5. May we request our volunteers to help us out with the gift hampers to our top 5. May I request our chief guests to kindly help us hand over the gift hamper to our Miss Shillong. Our volunteers, may you please hand over one of the gift hampers to our chief guest to be handed to our Miss Shillong. All right, may I also invite our friends from the Fashion Law Journal to kindly come up on stage as well.
We would also like to call Miss Michelle on stage to help us give the hampers away.
We would like to request our volunteers to kindly bring up all the gift hampers to our top 5 up on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, you will also have the opportunity to take a picture with our winners this evening, but please bear with us. May we request Sri Pauling Dot to help us hand over the gift hamper to our winner this evening. Matruka?
Matrika, please come forward and receive your gift hamper.
This gift hamper is handed to our first runner-up by Sir Frederick Karkongor. We will also have a gift hamper to be handed to our second runner-up, Jolene. We will also be having a gift hamper for our third runner-up, Nimrat Ranhotra. And we will also request Ms. Michelle to hand over the last gift hamper to our second runner-up. We would like to thank our chief guest, our special invitee, our judges, our friends, our officials, and everyone up here for making Miss Shillong 2025 a success. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Marvin Carsono.
And I am Catherine Corridor Lalu.
We conclude Miss Shillong 2025. Thank you very much.
You've been a wonderful audience. Thank you so much for joining us and have a wonderful evening.
We still have with us our lovely media partners. Ladies and gentlemen, let us also give them a huge round of applause, please. Our media partners have covered this event graciously. Thank you very much to all our media partners this evening. May we also request our beauty queens who's present with us this evening to kindly come up on stage for a group picture. May I request all our beauty queens who's present with us this evening to please come up on stage for a group picture with our top 5